In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Outlook calendar to Google Calendar app. By the end, your Outlook events will show up in Google Calendar, which then syncs to the Google Calendar app on your phone. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook Calendar website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Microsoft account so you're looking at the calendar you want to add. Once you're in the calendar view, look toward the top right and click the settings gear icon. A panel will open on the side. In that panel, select Calendar to see more options, then choose Shared Calendars. This is where you can publish your calendar so other apps can subscribe to it. Find the section labeled Publish a Calendar. Use the drop-down to pick the specific Outlook calendar you want to share. Next, choose the permission level. If you want Google Calendar to show your event details, select the option that allows viewing all details. If you only want to display free busy times, pick the more restricted option. When you're ready, click Publish. You'll now see two links appear, an HTML link and an ICS link. Click the ICS link. ICS is a standard calendar format that Google Calendar can read and keep in sync. Click Copy Link, then confirm by clicking Copy to place the full address on your clipboard. A quick privacy tip. Anyone with this ICS link can view your calendar at the permission level you just set, so treat it like a private address. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left sidebar, find Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. From the menu that appears, choose from URL. Paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook into the URL field, then click Add Calendar. Google will fetch the feed and create a new calendar under Other Calendars. It may take a moment for events to appear the first time. A few helpful notes. The Outlook calendar you just added is read only in Google Calendar. To make changes to events, edit them in Outlook. Updates will sync to Google automatically, though it can take a few minutes. If you don't see events right away, refresh the page and give it a little time. If it still doesn't show, double check that you use the ICS link, not the HTML one, and that the calendar is still published in Outlook. That's it. Your Outlook calendar is now integrated with Google Calendar, and it will show up in the Google Calendar app on your devices.